Hey everybody, it's John with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm out here in Delaware, Ohio with one of my clients, Michael. We recently did his roof and we're able to work through the insurance process to make sure that it was paid for and replaced. So Michael, what did you think about the process working with us? How was that for you?
The process is pretty easy. You guys came out, did your estimate, and got back with me on the cost and what the process would be like. So fairly easy.
Yeah.
Friendly people to work with. So
We try. We certainly do our best.
yeah.
And what were we able to do for you in this instance with working with the insurance carrier due to the storm damage you had?
So you guys were able to save me roughly $9,000 on the repair and potentially stop some damage to the roof. So.
Yeah, that was, I was glad we were able to work with them to have them pay for it. Gave you a massive discount by leveraging your insurance company. And what do you think about your new roof? How do you think it looks?
I like it. It works well with the house. So yeah.
Great. And last question for you, Michael. After you've been through this experience with us of doing a roof replacement, if you ever came across friends or family that needed a roof, would we be somebody that you would recommend to them?
Absolutely. It's a very professional organization. They're very timely. They came in and got the work done, and very, very peaceful.
Awesome. Well, we were very happy to help you out through this process.
Okay.
And if you have not had your roof looked at, give me a call, 740-504-0974. We'll do a complimentary inspection, just like we did for Michael here, to evaluate your roof to see if you might potentially qualify for an insurance paid for replacement yourself. Look forward to talking to you soon.